Jesse Lockerbie here, Indiana's chimney and masonry guy. And no, caulk is not the solution. Out here in Greenwood, Indiana, taking a look at a Class A chimney wrapped with brick that has been leaking on the interior of the home for a while. Starting from the top, we've got our termination cap, flue piping to our fireplace, storm collar, and a galvanized chase cover. As you can see, this house has been here for about 30 years. There's starting to be little pits and holes forming in this chase cover, which is allowing water to penetrate into the home. This brick was painted about 4 years ago. Before the painting, you can see there was lots of spalling brick happening at the beginning of spalling on other brick. So you can see, I can just pull this off. And areas that had completely blown the mortar and brick faces off. This leak has been going on for some time, and so today we did a water test. We started with the shingles around the base of the chimney, the step flashing, which is the silver flashing pieces interwoven with the shingles, and then hit the black counter flashing. We're very specific, hitting the line of silicone caulking where it meets the brick. And so we tested that for about 5 to 10 minutes, all the different flashing systems. Nothing leaked inside. And then as soon as I sprayed with the shower setting, water right here, let it run down. Within 15 seconds, we had water enter into the attic space and drip onto the drywall. So as you can see from this chimney, clearly it's not in good condition. There's no really repair option that can be done. You could remove and replace brick and tuck point, but that's not solving anything. The root cause is the lack of house wrap and drainage flashing and a weep hole system. So when water gets through the brick and the mortar, which it always will, we need a way for water to run down and then exit above our counter flashing and drop to the roof. And that is done with multiple systems. One's being house wrapped with seam tape, a clear airspace and cavity behind the brick, wall ties, through wall flashing installed above our counter flashing, and then weep holes to drain the water out. That is the proper fix for these chimneys. So I'm going to walk the client through a couple different options for above the roof line and then taking the whole chimney down, making sure that he's got a lasting solution for a long time.